In the name of God, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Peace and prayers be on His Prophet, Muhammad, a Prophet whom we love and follow. We respect whoever he respects him, and we stand opposed to those who oppose him or his work. The prayers of my God be on him. God describes him in his Quran as a man of great morality. Also said that we have sent you as mercy for those who worship God. Our peace and prayers are on him, his soul, and all those who followed him until the day of until doomsday. May God give me the correct words to address you. You people who have been created male and female, made as peoples and tribes, to get to know each other, that the most dignified of you to God is the most moral and pious.